equitystrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a quick look at the markets for today, Monday, June 16th. Coming up on the economic calendar today at 9 o'clock GMT, we have inflation from the Eurozone. This is an important factor for ECB policy decisions, and even though the ECB did change its policy in its last meeting, there is still some possibility of further policy modifications. So if we have something unexpected here, we could see some strong volatility in the euro as well as in European equities. And then in the afternoon at 1:15, we have a series of manufacturing industrial data from the United States, which could generate some volatility in equities. And then overnight we have the minutes from the last Reserve Bank of Australia meeting, so we could see some volatility in the Aussie. The S&P 500 on Friday moved a little bit higher. A good deal of this was due to short covering after this move on the downside. However, that positivity didn't continue during this week with early trading today in the Asian session moving on the downside. There's continuing concerns over the escalating violence in Iraq, which is pushing up the price of oil. We have a somewhat general negative outlook for the upcoming day, as indicated by futures from the S&P 500, which are trading down by 0.2% at the beginning of the European session. The euro, despite having some important data coming out on Friday, didn't have all that much volatility. Sorry. We're looking at support at 135.20, and then we have resistance at 135.90. The pound is continuing to move higher after comments by the governor of the Bank of England. It's now the highest it's been since 2009 versus the dollar, and we're very close to the psychologically important 170 level, which it hasn't closed above. If it closes above that, we don't have much resistance until 170.60. And then on the downside, we have support at 169.30. The yen has been gaining some strength as a safe haven asset in response to the situation in Iraq, as might be expected. However, it's still within its range of 101.25 support, resistance at 102.25. The dollar has also been gaining some strength versus a basket of currencies. However, the yen is getting stronger than the dollar, which is pushing this currency pair on the downside. Also, with gold, we have an increase gold has been going up as well. Gold is also another safe haven asset, as well as U.S. Treasuries. The increasing price in gold is a reflection of a general risk-off environment for the markets. We're looking at support 1,260, resistance 1,280 at the moment. How far up gold is going to go is going to depend on how the situation in Iraq evolves. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.